Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Sierra 2500 HD. The GMC Sierra 2500 HD has all your workhorse basics covered. No worries here. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, remote power door locks, engine block heater, power sunroof, Bluetooth, technology package, heated steering wheel, cruise control, trip computer. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.